today we are going to do deep burgundy, otherwise known as black cherry. And I always look at the girls on the, I was about to say bottle, the girls on the box. I'm like, she's so pretty. I'm going to do my hair like this because I'm going to look like her. Like, I'm not going to look like her, but whatever. This hair color is really pretty. I love Garnier. So let's get started. And since I did just do the color oops, like I literally did. God, you ever want to know like what not to do, just ask me below and I'll tell you, because I'm pretty sure I've done all of the things you're not supposed to do and I've regretted them. And that is the story of my life. Okay. I don't have to read the directions for this guy because I do know the rules. I'm a little lightheaded. I was rinsing my hair in the tub, like, you know, just like putting your head over. When you do color oops, you have to do that for like 40 minutes total. So I'm legitimately lightheaded. Like I was a little dizzy. All right. I gotta like ready myself. Oh, I should not be wearing a white shirt. Yeah, that's a terrible idea. Okay. Don't tell Sean I'm wearing the Villanova shirt for this, but I've been pretty good because I think this is the one I always end up using and I haven't gotten anything on it, so don't judge me and don't tell Sean. Okay, let me get rid of the color oops stuff because that will be a disaster. Let's just mix up those two ingredients. Okay, so I'm excited about this color. I've never tried this one before, and I have recently been quite the fan of reds, and I was thinking that's such a great way to like welcome in the warm weather. All right, let's mix our ingredients. I always get an accent when I'm doing stuff I'm not supposed to be doing. It's like if I'm not being supervised, I'm probably doing something to my hair or my face, and I don't get my hair cut for 8 days. Well, that's not too bad. All right, let's get started. I'm ready to look like this chick. She looks pleasant, right? Maybe I'll be pleasant. Time before I, just drop some on my forehead. Was not trying to dye my forehead. I'm not that cutting edge. All right, so as usual, this says to leave in for 25 or 30 minutes. I usually do 30 minutes. I might do a little less since I just used the color oops and it said that it makes your hair quite porous. So I don't know, we'll debate on that. Shauna's gonna be like, why are you messing with your hair? It looked so perfectly nice and fine. Why would you do that? 'Cause I can, man. 'Cause once the zombie apocalypse starts, you're not gonna do fun stuff like this anymore. Right? It's gonna be all hunt, gather, whatever else happens. Protect, fight, find clean water, you know? I know I don't have a completely systematic way of doing this, but I have been dyeing my hair for a long time, and it's very fine, and it's short, so this usually does serve me well. So if you do not agree with my method, I'm not going to argue with you at all. It will work out for me because of my fine hair and because this is what I typically do. Doesn't mean I necessarily recommend it for everybody, but yeah. All right, this is more like purpley pinkish than I thought it would be, which I actually, well, at least on my scalp and my skin, which I actually think is super cute. So I'm going to throw away all of this hair dyeing paraphernalia. Getting rid of the evidence. Okay, so I will be back in 25-30 minutes. I'll let you know which one I do, and we'll see how this turns out. Hey guys! So, I really like it. So it is, oh, here comes Penny. But anyways, I really like it. It's definitely more black than cherry. And it's funny because I even started out with a lighter color than I usually do, like on my hair originally. So I feel like this is one of those ones where it's black, and in, you know, certain lighting, you'll see that sort of shine of like reddish purple because it rinsed out like super like burgundy. And I was like, oh my gosh, like what did I do? And yeah, so I would definitely go for a lighter one if you're trying to really get like the red payoff. But if you just want like a little subtle hint of like red or burgundy, then this is a good one. And as usual, my hair is, you know, shiny. It still feels good. I used the conditioner and left it in for a couple minutes. So yeah, I really like it. So I hope this helped you make a decision. Definitely let me know what you think. Let me know if you do try it out and how it works out for you. And thank you guys so much.